We also announced a new flash just a week ago. This is the F60RM, and as you know, the RM will stand for radio. This flash has got a guide number of 60. What's really cool with the flash is that it brings over some features from our previous flash system, specifically the quick shift bounce. So if I'm shooting a bounce angle, I can turn it either way, and I can keep my light consistent when I'm bouncing. This will go both ways. Also helps me from bouncing off walls. It's very easy to use. You'll notice that it has an LED light. This LED light can be used obviously for a full light, or shooting with continuous light, or even used as a full light when you're shooting with bounce flash, which is really great. So the RM flash is really easy to use. So with a wireless radio frequency, this can actually be used as the remote commander, or it can be used as a receiver. So you can have multiple F60 RM flashes, or pair it up with our F45 RM flash that we announced last year. So now you can have a flash as a commander and multiple flashes receiving. You can also utilize the Sony remote commander on the camera and then have multiple flashes. So you can have up to 15 flashes in 5 groups. You can control each group separately. So you can do a wireless ratio control and then control your brightness and your sync speed with the different flashes in different areas. So really convenient. You'll notice that the buttons on the back are very similar to the buttons on the camera. We've added a plus-minus button over the previous flash, so it's very easy to dial your exposure up and down. It has a function button the same as a camera, a dial the same as a camera with a 4-way switch. And these are customizable, and it helps you navigate menus really quickly and really easily. And for instance, I put my custom one onto the LED light in the front, so I can easily turn that on and off when I need to. The flash is going to be for $5.99. Pre-purchase is available right now, and should be shipping within a month.